friends, how are you all doing? Good morning. Today is Sunday morning. Today is 11 a.m. So today I want to share you something. So what is it is? What do I have for lunch, breakfast and dinner? So what do I have for breakfast is muesli. Muesli after that dosa, roti, idli, sandwich, pasta. Now what do I have for lunch? Is many items like curd rice, biryani, rasam sadam, coot. I have all those stuff. But my favorite is biryani. My daddy cooks really nice biryani. And what for dinner is I have idli, curd rice, I have roti, I have many items. Also I have pizza, I have homemade pizza, I have burger, homemade burger. So I'll see you when my mom makes homemade pizza at home. Bye.